At CVS Health, we're committed to helping people stay on the path to better health. But we understand that's not always easy to do in today's world of rapidly rising costs. So we're working to reinvent the way healthcare is delivered to increase access, lower costs, and improve outcomes. How? Through innovative solutions, like our managed formulary strategies, which have helped our clients save more than $5.3 billion to date. We've helped members save too, an average of $26 per transitioned prescription. Those savings add up, and we know it matters because 1 in 3 people don't fill a prescription due to price. See, what you might not know is that most drugs have lower cost, clinically equivalent alternatives. So why pay more when you can get the same pharmacy benefit for less? At CVS Health, we ask the same question, and as a result, we are the first to exclude select higher cost options from our formulary. Our decision was unheard of in the industry at the time, but others have since followed, making this approach standard practice today. We continue to look ahead and evolve our formulary strategy. It's just who we are. At CVS Health, we are reinventing pharmacy to have a more active, supportive role in each person's unique health experience. And in doing so, we're helping shape the future of healthcare. Because health is everything.